STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math.
I'm most looking forward today of learning something I may have not known yesterday.
I am most excited about we can meet new people, and I feel like it's going to be fun.
My favorite STEM field is technology.
I'm excited to learn about the new STEM technology, especially in engineering.
Our favorite STEM field is science. We like it because you can interact and ask many questions.
And also do a lot of experiments.
I'm looking forward to seeing more body parts. Like, I'm really interested in the medical field.
When I grow up, I want to be a neurologist or a neurosurgeon.
When I grow up, I want to be a pediatric doctor.
Girls can do anything.
STEM